Hello everyone and welcome to Commerce. Now, this is the auctions app inside the Commerce project from the CS50 projects that we're required to complete. So, in order to finish this project, we need to have these specifications. Now, first one is the models. So, the application should have at least 3 models, which has one for auction listings, bids, and comments. So, here are the models. We have auction listings, that's 1, bids 2, comments 3. And 4 and 5, these ones I had to add. So that's 5 here. And for the next one, we have create listings. Users should be able to visit a page to create a new listing. So let's go here. We can go ahead and create the listing. It's at optional, so I'm not going to put it. Let's see. Let's say a fan. It's the first thing on the right for me. So high speed. You can write description. And I want to sell it for like $50. And we can select the category at least. So I would say it's appliances. So we're going to go ahead and automatically it's going to say no image available because I didn't add anything. All right, so for the third one, it says active listings page. Default route should let the viewers see the active listings if it exists. So this is the route, the index route, and it shows all the auctions that have previously been there. Okay, and now for the fourth point, which is the listing page. Clicking on a listing page should take the user to that page and also show the details about the listing and also the current price of listing. So we can go here and check out, let's say this one, and it says $120. And so if we move on, it says, oh, if the user is signed in, the user should be able to add the item to their watch list. If the item is already there, they should be able to remove it. So apparently this is already on our watch list. We can remove it and add it again. Okay, so moving on. It says if the user is signed in, the user should be able to bid on the item. The bid must be at least as large or more, like as large as the starting bid or more if it's bid on later. And doesn't meet the criteria, should show an error. So let's try this one. Let's say we go for 62, see it works. Updates. And if I go for 60, for example, it says we have to do more than that. Okay, so later, if the user is signed in and is the one who created the listing, the user should be able to close it, which makes the highest winner win and no longer active. So let's close something else, maybe this one. Yeah. So this is same. So here we can, there we go. Okay. If the user is signed in on a closed listing page and the user has won the auction, the page should say so. It was in the account of Levi. He's the one that won. So let's see. It was 7. Just make sure. Oops, sorry, wait here. Yep, it was 7, and it says, congrats, you've won this auction. There we go. All right. Users who are signed in should be able to add comments to the listing page. Listing page should display all of them made on the listing. So you can, hello, this is a comment, just something quick, So it can be displayed here, as you can see. This is another comment. You can see, Levi. It tells you who did the comment and at what time. Okay. Now watch list. Users who are signed in should be able to visit a watch list page, which should display all the listings that we've added to the watch list. So we only have 2 things here, so let's see. I'm gonna add this and this one too. So if I go to watch list, it's gonna both be there in the order that I put them in. So let's see, I wanna remove this. We go back, it's not there anymore. All right. Categories. Users should be able to visit a page that displays all listings according to the category. All right, so categories is here, and I think we just had art, so we have art. Also, we said fan is appliances, so it's gotta be here. The other ones don't exist because we closed most of them. All right, and Django admin interface. So by the admin interface, be able to view, add, edit, and delete any listings, comments, and bids made on site. So here we go. This is the admin, and do anything really. I mean, you can add one here. Yeah, just like this. Create by which user and the URL. It's basically the same thing as over there. We could also remove if you wanted to. So you You see, you can delete that one. Also, comments, and everything really. It's all available. All right, thank you for watching. This was Commerce.